Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Open settings and verify your iPad model and iOS version so you know which theming methods will work. Once done, back up your data to iCloud or Finder to prevent loss if something goes wrong. Next, install shortcuts and a reputable theming or icon pack app from the App Store. These let you apply custom icons and home screen widgets. This immediate setup avoids wasted steps and gets you into the customization flow quickly. Now you create the visual pieces. In Shortcuts, make a new shortcut that opens an app and assign a custom image so the home screen shows your chosen icon. Then use Widgetsmith or Color Widgets to make matching widgets. Set sizes and fonts to keep a consistent look. Once you have icons and widgets, move originals to the app library and arrange themed pages. Make sure to test tap behavior. Shortcuts may add a brief delay versus native app launches. To finish, tidy layout and pick a wallpaper that complements your icons and widgets. Subtle contrast improves readability. Once done, use focus modes to swap home screens based on work, personal, or sleep routines so themes change automatically. If an icon opens shortcuts instead of the app or fails, reassign the shortcut, ensure the image file is accessible, or delete and recreate that shortcut. Reinstall the app only if necessary. This final check ensures reliability and a smooth daily experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.